A certain amount of investment will have to be made by you to kickstart this relationship, because a warm welcome to my friends from Japan. It's indeed a glorious day when you are kickstarting the Japanese Film Festival in the entertainment capital of India. Well, I'm reminded of the year 1984 when I went with my film Saransh to Moscow. The film was a critical hit but a box office failure in Mumbai and in India. It did not recover money. But when the film was shown in Moscow, there was a Japanese representative who loved the film so much that he came forward and he made a purchase of that film for the television network. And he paid an exorbitant amount at that time, thereby taking the film from what is the red space to the plus space. So I'm indebted to Japan in the very beginning of my career for bailing me out with a film which was merely a critical hit in Mumbai and India, but not a box office success. And had it not been for that brave film representative from Japan, I wouldn't have been able to boast that Saransh was not only a critical success, but also generated wealth. Film festivals play a significant role in the destiny of filmmakers and the people of that region where the film festivals are held. I distinctly remember in the winter of mid-70s, when I was in the dawn of my career, I had gone to New Delhi, where I came face to face with the icon that you were referring to, Mr. Kurosawa, a tall, handsome man with his very short wife. And unfortunately, the Babus of Delhi did not know what his value was. So he was standing there in the lobby looking for a room. And I remember the great Sukhdev, the filmmaker of great repute, a man who made television, advertising films and also made a feature film, how we fought to give Mr. Kurosawa the respect and the attention that he deserved. So it is because of film festivals that you draw icons from different countries into alien spaces. Globalization does not mean westernization. Globalization also means forging very, very strong ties with your Eastern brothers. We're only frightened that Japan may be a very expensive country. The idea of going to Shinjuku and shooting there seems a distant dream. It may be affordable by Hollywood standards, but we still are a country which, though we may have come from far away to a very strong position now, but we, in the space of cinema, as you said, we are 7th in the list. So we have to count our foreign exchange when we come there. So initially, I would urge you to ask your governments to facilitate the shootings of the few films that come in the initial phases, so that images can be brought from Japan into India and the people of India are exposed to it, and then a kind of a movement begins. So a certain amount of investment will have to be made by you to kickstart this relationship, because it's very difficult to break into new spaces. There's a kind of a mental block, and that mental block can only be broken by aggressive persuasion. So I'm glad that you guys have taken the first step, and I'm certain that the film industry here will reciprocate. And I'm certain that in times to come, when we look back, today's day will be seen as a glorious day when something was kick-started between India and Japan, which will only make the story of India and Japan richer. Thank you.
इन लोगों ने तो बता दिया जापानीज किस तरह इंडिया में फैलेंगे, अपने बिजनेस को बढ़ाएंगे, लेकिन इंडियंस क्या कुछ फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं जापानीज से?
देखिए कि ये आए इसीलिए ये है यहाँ क्योंकि इनको लगता है कि हमारे मुल्क में जो हमारी 1.2 बिलियन की आबादी है वो एक बहुत ही पोटेंशियल मार्केट है इनके लिए। हर जो मुल्क है हिंदुस्तान को देख रहा है क्योंकि हमारी एक नौजवान पीढ़ी है और जो कंजम्पशन का जो हमारा फ्यूचर है बहुत ज़्यादा है। और मुझे यकीन है कि जो एक वैरायटी की खोज हमेशा रहती है और एक मोनोटनी आ गई है वेस्टर्न सिनेमा के साथ में, और इनका सिनेमा वाकई बहुत ही अनोखा सिनेमा है। और वक्त के साथ में ये मानते हैं कि अब तो शुरुआत है, मगर हो सकता है कि अगर ये परसिस्ट करें तो एक टेस्ट कल्टीवेट हो जाएगा। मगर बहुत अहम बात यह है कि अगर ग्लोबलाइजेशन की हम बात करते हैं तो क्या सिर्फ हम वेस्टर्नाइजेशन में यकीन रखते हैं कि ईस्टर्न जो हमारे जो साइड के लोग मुल्क हैं उनके साथ भी हम रिश्ता जोड़ेंगे? तो ये हमारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है कि हम ईस्टर्न रीजन्स के साथ में अपने रिश्ते गहरे करें